Hey y'all, how we doing? Well, guess what? I recently came back from a travel trip, so yay! I have another shopping haul to share with you. And guess where I went this time? Yes, I know, I know, we all know. I went, ooh, and I just ripped the bag. I got such great finds. But I went to Hobby Lobby. And with Hobby Lobby, I had looked these over a couple of times in a couple of different stores whenever I get to travel. And the markings were too high. But this time looks like the second markdown. And I got a great bargain. Look how heavy, look how big this one is. And this we use around the boho journals, the junk journals. And this one is marked down to just $11.99. It was $30. And so now it's the second markdown. And I want to tell you, this is normally $10.99 a yard. This full is 12 yards. So I do believe I just got close to 12 yards for $11.99. Yes, I know I'm splurging. I haven't used all of what I bought. But I will tell you, I have found with Hobby Lobby, they put these on clearance 2-3 times a year. But it's really, when they mark them down a second and a third time is when they're extremely affordable for us junk journals and our crafters and what we do with them. And this black, normally $2.99 a yard, I got the entire package, what was left on the bolt, for $2.07. So that's really awesome. And this one, bolt as is, whole bolt, for $3.70. Love this. I think this is going to go around some of those that we've been working on lately, junk journals that you've been seeing. So you're going to see me using this on the edges of that book cover real soon, so I'll show you how we do that. And I was looking for the normal price. Looks like it's covered up, but it's $3.70 for everything that's left on that bolt. So that is a great price. And I do have more to show you from Hobby Lobby, but I think it's easier, especially when you're in the video, watching the video, to see the background of the, I'll pick that up in a minute. See the background of the threads to get an idea of what that's going to look like on the books. So again, I love this. Trying to find the end of it. And they have it wound around. Probably going to find a needle here soon. Well, looks like I'm going to have to take it off the bolt somehow. Never works out quick when we want it to. But look at that beautiful fray. I love this. And none of it is raw. It's actually braided in there, twined back up, and sewn. So this is one continuous piece put in. So that is really nice. It's not going to fray on you, not going to tear. And of course, when we cut the edge, we're going to sew it right onto that. So we're not going to have to worry about ever fraying. And that just feels fun. All right. And these are the balls that you have seen me use on a couple of junk journals already. And again, they're just those beautiful dangles. I also put these on the fidget quilts, fidget mats, because sometimes you just want to play with something in your hands. So this is really great for that. And it was beautiful. I've been wanting to dive into this since I bought it. Looks like it's been wrapped a few times with saran wrap and shrunk wrap and everything else here. Oh my goodness, I love this. And when it comes in several pieces, you know that does not slow me down a bit because I use it in different sizes. This is absolutely great on a very plush couch or on the most elegant curtains. But we are going to use it in our junk journals. So I am very excited, very happy about that. And we're going to, I think I'm showing you the backside. We're going to use that really soon. So I love that. And maybe, what do you think? I'll even make a shawl or something out of that. Huh? Headband? All right, getting too goofy with you. But I'm very excited about this. I wish you could feel it. I wish you could touch it. It's just divine. Very pretty. And one more bag from Hobby Lobby. We picked up some white lace. I got some brown. I'm taking too long to do. I had to. I just had to. We love our Pez. And some clearance from Christmas time. I think I got this 90% off, just $2.99, and then 90% off. And I couldn't believe it. This is actually 5 yards of ribbon with red on the edges with the plaid. So if I don't use that before, we're going to do some bows next year for Christmas, if I don't use it before. And then for Valentine's, I got some nice little doilies. We're going to put those in some junk journals. And no, I don't reserve that for just Valentine's. I use that all year long. And then these beauties, absolutely incredible. I got these for 90% off. I don't know why they had them on sale, but these are usually, maybe it was 75% off, because I think I paid 50 cents a piece. So these are usually $1.99. They're just little flags, and 6 sheets of stickers. And then you've got some goals pad in here, 50 sheets. I paid 50 cents a piece for all of this right here. So this is really exciting. So I just wanted to take you through some of that. Alrighty. Well, thanks for joining me on it. Don't leave. Don't leave. We're going to open these up. These are like the little heavier wooden beads and this beautiful white lace. So let's take a look at this. This was $2.74 for everything on this. Everything on this. So let's take a look at what that $2.74 got me. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh man, I can't tell you. Maybe I want to use that art book, draw some beautiful picture, and put this over it as kind of like a dimensional effect. That's what I'm feeling at the moment. I think I should find those scissors again and cut this off. And look at this. Oh, y'all. This is divine. This is normally $3.99 a yard. This originally held 30 yards. I would not be surprised if I didn't have 10 yards left on this. Look how fine this is. We can sew this on. Look at those beautiful embroidered flowers. That is so elegant. And this is a lot on there, because look how, I am just very, very impressed. And y'all might think of this as a wedding gown. Y'all might think of this as a nightgown. You know, I'm thinking of this as maybe putting a couple of cuffs on some of my t-shirts, as well as putting this in my junk journals. That is absolutely gorgeous. I never opened it in the store. I just saw that for being a great price. Looks like it was marked down to $6.86, and then y'all know we just paid $3 something for it, but I tore off the paper and threw it down. This one, normally $7.99 a yard. Looks like it maybe has, I don't know, 4 yards, wild guess. Bought it for $2.68. Again, this is a little bit heavier of the texture. It doesn't go on the inside of the pages very well for the junk journals, but it's perfect for the cover, for the binding, for some edges, or even doing on some of our crafts, like our fidget quilts, as well as some of our purses. And again, this is very, very nice. The top, the dangle with the balls, and these balls are solid, permanent. It's just absolutely beautiful. And you might see this on the bottom or the edging of very, very fine curtains or furniture as well. But again, looks like it was marked down to $6.72. Then, like I told you, it was the second markdown, at least the second, for $2.68 for this entire grouping. So very, very pleased with my haul this time. I am so excited to bring this to you. And again, we just had to get some of those hearts. We'll tea stain these, get those in those junk journals real quick. And again, thanks for joining me for the Hobby Lobby haul. Y'all have a great day. Love you all. Bye.